Yes, and welcome back. The program now as it is hot for our viewers who they watch us for Star Times. Channel, that is channel 1595 and Go TV channel 98 and free to air channel 57 and also on My TV. The program now as it is hot, that political program is sunshine. The information of different political activities. For the stories that we get for now today, we don't tell them about the soldiers we do it. We step up against militants so that is for the border way between Lagos and Ogun State. We're also telling about the declaration of the Niger Delta Republic, where the Niger Delta, a particular faction of the Avengers, come and can't declare republic. We're also telling about budget padding and the new angle way the unveiling situations where they come out from well, from there we can't give now about prison break will happen inside Kogi State the third in the last 2 months. And from there we can also tell about the development where they play out for the internally displaced camps. Following the action where the vice president don't take up to do it to chook eye into that matter. All these now the stories we'll get for now, and the story is still very much. And now we'll also open our phone line so that at least now we'll start the call and also contribute now 1 quarter to the whole matter. So Chukudi, following this we'll talk about the information I dropped before we go for that break. We go see say yes. Before now, a lot of things don't actually play out for this particular region. We don't lead to deaths. When I mean death, you know, people dying, a whole lot of people dying. And then for the government on their own part, for the soldiers to also say, okay, we could step up on this. Now to show, say yes, at least sincerely, the thing don't really hit them to the point of, okay, let us get ourselves involved. And because of say, if we're going to involve 2 states in this case, a border between Ogun and Lagos, to tell you, say yes, it's a very sensitive issue. Because if we don't just sit down, we just stay for our houses, they feel say yes, we'll get comfort, we'll get security. Make situation just from nowhere come out, can they cause casualties. And that is why the soldiers are stepping up on this, and then we don't see results from it. And I tell you, at least, sincerely, this government, when it comes to issue of security, in as much as we know, say yes, then get their own slight challenges in some areas of this security. But at least would they see hard work, would they see results? At least go following these actions we don't see.
Very true. And this one an indication say the government no go allow people when we say they don't already come and contact, they won't destroy our economy to just get a free hand. Because it is very, very important. Okay, well, if people they talk, say they know they're happy with the way when something they go, and you get the other partners when they're willing to come and talk, say, okay, make we sit down, make we discuss this issue, make we see how we go take we resolve and find lasting solution to the problem. It go good, make we open opportunity, make everybody come together. But these some people their own and say through badness, they won't continue to do what they do. Our soldier people, they get the constitutional right to do their best to see, say, they move this our country forward and ensure the safety and security of lives and property inside Obodo, Nigeria. And this one I warning to our brothers, they went there for the Niger Delta region too. Say make them, say our army them, no be say they no want do, they no fit do what they no go do. Or make they all stay very, very careful with the own and they do. We get Yakub. Yakub, they call us all the way from Kaduna. Okay, Yakub, good morning and welcome to As It Is Hot.
Yakub, good morning.
Hey. Like I say the network no agree, okay, Yakub. I beg, if you get the opportunity to call us, try reduce the volume of your television first. Call in and make your contribution. Go straight to the point. Any of these 5 stories will not carry come, just discuss this particular one. From that one, we get to do with the area bombardment of Arepo area. We could discuss the Adakaboro Avengers. When talk say they won't declare the Republic of the Niger Delta Republic today. Self-actualization in itself, no be bad thing. If person talk say, okay, like this, he won't do his own. But if you go about the way you want go to destroy this country, that one be crime and a criminal act. We they call on our brothers, them say they take them easy, make our country no spoil for our very eye. We get DJ Reef. DJ Reef, they call us all the way from Kaduna. DJ Reef, good morning and welcome to As It Is Hot.
DJ Reeves, good morning.
Would they greet you, DJ Reef?
Yeah, this is DJ Reef on the line.
Yeah, would they hear you right on?
In fact, kudos to you guys now. They have done work. In fact, they speak mind of Nigeria. But my own contribution to the militant. When I talk, these people don't say that. In fact, this thing now due to selfishness. Because they claim say they use of they claim say I don't get fuel, I don't get this, and they say government needs to settle. And I say we are no more. It's not that we are one Nigeria there. Which means we the retarded we will they where would they not anything where we get So just like they want to divide the country into two, and now some people now then they for this one they push this one. Now I try to say I beg, more just cooperate. No now only go now to repair the country. So we know because see the country will go down. Now my own contribution with that.
Thank you very much, DJ Reeves. You don't talk and say when it comes to the unity of our country, Nigeria, make we not do it. Make we not bring things we go do it in. We go cause breakage for us. We go cause katakata for our country. But then, in as much as we also they talk this one, and make also you said something about the particular region they claim that their resources. But then make also at least make government also put eye to that one. Make them also know how they take do it, address them, and we don't insist though. We don't insist from government on top of that matter. We get Oga Chukudi. Oga Chukudi they call us from Owe. Okay, we blast it, we don't lose that call. So Chukudi, you be they talk about the Adakaboro boys, and in all sincerity, you coming out to declare your own sovereignty or your own nation, if I will put it that way, he just be like say they put law way past you for your hand.
Very true.
The same way we get the Boko Haram data where they declare their own sovereignty. I mean, you said check them out. How you go just declare sovereignty when there are no due processes to it? That's how it talks. If you get issue, present your issue. If your issue is not being identified or addressed by the nation, the country you are part of, there are other steps if you take to say you want to declare this thing. I mean, this matter never reach the level where person will just, a group of people will just sit down for their house. So, okay, make we even declare this, make we declare sovereignty. I mean, if they try to bring us together, they try to separate us. Now, I mean, it is a very sincere question. May I ask you that one?
Go good, make we just address this particular issue the way when the thing dey. Go good, make we dey look other countries when we say they experience even half of what we they see or the thing when they experience for the country not even reach our own. When we say the country don't come there inside what people they call turmoil. Take for example, if you go places like Syria for over 5 years now, civil strife don't they for there, even for Yemen, for different parts of the world, and now places where we say people no feel enjoy life for the place when they so it go good make if we get period of peace, make we embrace peace because some people they talk say okay, if na true fight, make we fight, if na war, make we fight war. But the thing when war they bring, the thing when fight they bring na destruction and unhappiness inside our country. So it go good make we take things really very, very easy to use to say we move our country forward. We get one of our callers all the way from Taraba, Oga Bobby, I hope. Oga Bobby, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Oga Bobby, good morning.
My guy.
We dey greet you, Oga Bobby.
Una try beg.
Thank you.
Talk through, the easy now. The main issue about this Niger Delta stuff, the way they take Duam, join, definitely. Make we tell ourselves the truth. Although, in the other hand, they fight for their rights, but this their right that they fight for, and they do it the correct way, that's the question, number one.
Whether they do it the correct way, yes.
They make soldiers go scatter the place. Yeah, it gets extra when we say if them overdo them. Because nobody fit divide this country. This country in our one piece. And anybody will say go divide Niger, you not go ever see better for your life. That's the truth. So the key to make Nigeria better, not peace. All these pieces, go work. That's just the truth. Let's face the reality and stay in as in one entity. Nigeria no go fit break. Anybody will say go break Nigeria, that's what I'm going ahead of. But God go bless us,
yes, so thank you very much, Oga Bobby.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. It is very, very good. Say people from different parts of this country, they see dialogue as an alternative to say we won't fight. Some people don't come and talk, say, make our soldier people crush them, make them show them, say, then get power. Other people, they talk, say, hey, these militants, them, say they go show our people pepper. But it go good, make all of us look at like this, say, all of us are children of Nigeria at the end of the day. And if this country is spoiled, our hand default, just like Oga Bobby don't talk. And if this country good, now all of us go still enjoy them. So why not join our hands together to do the things when we say, it go move the country forward, and we go get country where we say, we go feel close our eyes, sleep for night, and our children go grow up for inside this country in peace. Nigeria get potential when we say no other country for this world get. Even the United States of America, we will talk say, a land of milk and honey. You don't get the kind of things we will get. All we just need that leaders when we say they go lead the country where followers when go support government when they truly committed to say they won't move this country forward. And we will the benefit, they enjoy our country, they go. You get some natural disasters when they happen for different parts of this world. Earthquake, tsunami, and different parts. But for Nigeria, we know they experience all these kind of things. Our land, they fertile. Peace in this country. Some kind of disease, we know they see them. Why if we say one use our hands spoil our country? Oga Sam, they call us all the way from Ikotun. Oga Sam, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Sam, good morning.
Oga Sam, you there?
Good morning, Ezego Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga Sam.
Good morning, my friend Nkudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
The Lord bless both of you for me.
Amen.
The nation appreciate what you are doing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
And these are the reasons why the country will get solution to its problems. I want to do it strictly on two areas of this 5 subjects you brought this morning.
Okay.
The first one is about this pardon which is going on in the House of Rep.
House of Rep, yeah.
It is most unfortunate. It is corruption. Then to the IDP issue, the issue food items to less privileged. Who is stealing them? They are the same privileged people who are stealing them. Again, it's corruption. So at what level do you see our managers managing this country very well? If not because of greed, their greed that is troubling them. The pardon issue is becoming an issue where it's like the presidency is behaving as if it's not seeing or it's not hearing what is going on. You are talking about corruption. You arrested quite a number of people from one particular section of the system. And people are kind of that we have not gone across the whole system. Corruption is not based on PDP. People in PDP are in APC and they are still Nigerians. And yet you're taking them from both sides to try them for corruption. The same Nigerians whom you say, because of disadvantage in the Northeast, therefore they should get food and feed these people so they can live and remove malnutrition. The people are saying they are big men. Where do we go in this country? Yesterday they were in the church professing to be Christians. On Friday they were in the mosque professing to be good Muslims. What again? What sermon does Nigerians need to refrain from the evil that they are causing poverty to people of this country? They should be aware. 2019 is not far from now. By the special grace of God, we are identifying our enemies as our leaders. And when the time comes, they will not have a place to stay. God bless Nigeria. Good morning.
God bless you too, Oga Sam. Thank you very much for that contribution. Enter where Oga Sam, they always call us on this program. The kind of passion where they take and do it, where they take address some of these matters. It's not the same passion that our leaders, they also take look matters. At least we don't know how far we don't go. We get Oga Raymond. Oga Raymond, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Ramon, good morning. Ramon, you did there. Good morning. Talk to us. Oga Ramon, I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg. Bella say we go do this, we go cut that call. And they always tell our viewers, say, enter when I want call. If not, those that don't connect to us, mean that they bring down the volume of that television. Because this infiltration, this break where they come in. I mean, it's no good for both our end and our end. We'll still collect our call, and the matter still they very much on.
Very true. We go also good make we discuss this issue when we get to do with the prison break inside Kogi State. This matter is something when we say, if person hear them, the thing they did very, very funny.
Third in the
because
last
it just be like
months.
saying arrangement when they all put to use escape. Anything when happen, it go happen. If we talk say we get prisons where they keep people, when we say they await trial, those where they don't convict, we must ensure say security there, making no content to child's play. We get somebody when they call us all the way from Adamawa. Good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Yeah, good morning,
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know too much for this our issue this morning.
Okay,
Oga Obiora. Oga Obiora, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
And now,
thank you very much.
Good morning. We don't miss you well. Feel free, contribute.
So me, I miss you too, but as you don't come back for start time now. Life goes on.
Yes, so they hear your Obiora continue.
What I'm saying is that this IDP issue, in fact, the real IDP in this country is politicians, our big politicians. They are the real and the only IDP. Those poor people in the camp, they are not even IDP. Because all those things you hear that they send, you end up in the purse and the family of those rich politicians. So I want our government to still investigate this issue. Then again, issue of pardon. You know, in Nigerian politics, what we have is changing of party and not changing of persons. Why this chairman committee on appropriation is doing what so now is because the members is against him. Some of his own things that he saw inside the budget, now people are talking. And they now remove him from that seat. Now he now come out to talk against the speaker. I'm not supporting any of them, because even in my constituency in Anambra State, they did not give us even one project. Ask our rep there. He's still crying as of today. I'm still now. They don't even give us one project, but they are issuing billions to other people. So what I'm saying is that fighting corruption is not only getting those PDP members and asking them to return money. If you want to bring change in all the corners. Let's all see the change. Normally, we will not support this administration. But I said it before. We will support them when we see that they are performing better. But when you tell us that they are performing better and we see that they are not performing better, we see they are against you. So again, the United Delta issue, I did not support any sabotaging of the economy, but I really support in dialogue and negotiation. No dialogue of calling those people, giving them money, no. Let us know the problem of this country.
Yes.
Negotiation is important. Let us negotiate this country. Nobody is happy in this country.
Very true.
Forget about not dividing this country or dividing this country. It's not the issue. The issue is that people are not happy. People do not value Nigeria as their country. So if you do not value your family, that this is your family, you cannot pray that your family will go forward.
Very
and
true.
Because you are not happy.
Very
and
true.
you are not feel belonging to your family. So let our leader look back, swallow their pride, call meeting, negotiate relationship. Let us be united once more.
Very
we are
true.
not united though. Today, northern side, they are happy because the northern man is there. Tomorrow, the southern side will be happy because their person is there.
Very true.
That's not unity. Unity is when a northern man is present
And every other person in the country, they happy.
Yeah.
Oga Obiora, thank you very much for this your
Oga Obiora.
important contribution. We'll go quick rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, it will be the final bus stop on top of Asiri Hall. We'll go see the collect on our phone calls so that we'll get your contribution as you get to do with this particular matter. I happy as you just accept the way when Nigerians, they fire you today. They have given it to you. That IDP people, I hope you will go and tell your people now. Because as I'm standing on this matter, I will continue to speak about this matter. I will continue to take this matter personal. I will continue to fire you on this issue of the internally displaced people until we begin to see a positive result. You cannot. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. From here, we will so now at the final bus stop on top of As E Dey Hot. Now we dey look. We don't take una calls from different parts of Obodo, Nigeria, and everybody they talk one particular thing. Government must be responsible to all the work when we say they're supposed to do, and the people must also show support to the government so that this our country no go spoil for our very eye. We don't discuss extensively the one we get to do with the internally displaced persons, and we don't talk on top of Asiri Hot say, not be just to give 23,000 assorted food items, not be just to give 2,155 shelter items, now to ensure say this thing reach the hand of the people when it's supposed to reach. And on the issue of the area bombardment by our soldier people, we don't also talk and say, those when we say don't come and talk, say they won't spoil this country, we must check them, ensure say they don't succeed with the work when we say that they do. We talk about the Kogi prison break, we talk say, it don't be like child's play when we say every month we go here say some people escape. Every week we go here say some people escape. If prison is a place where we say we keep people for them to stay for a particular period of time to learn some kind of things before they come back to society, we must ensure say these prisons them they're very, very safe. And with the other one we can discuss before we go the break, get to do with the budget padding. We don't already talk and say, as Oga Mumi Jubrin don't come out with this information, make EFCC and ICPC make them act on top of this matter. We get our caller when they call us all the way from Kaduna. Good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning.
You there? We hear you.
Hello?
Yes, good morning. We hear you. Right on.
Are you hearing me?
Yes,
Loud and clear.
continue. Oga Yakubu, we hear you.
Well done, Ukubi.
Yes, good morning.
And Chukudi, well done.
Oga Yakub, we greet you.
Yeah, from Kaduna State.
Okay.
Feel free.
Karina appreciates you have been there.
Thank you.
First of all, APC and Baba PMB are failures in this country.
Why you talk so, Oga
That's number
Yakub?
one. If Baba is honest in his program, let him go into this padding something that is happening in the budget. The guy came out and said the truth. They are running out of it. The guy is not honest. So all of them are honest there. They are just to push everybody in their pocket, and then we suffer for them, and then we vote them, they put them there. They're not talking about the masses. They're talking about themselves.
If not the breed that came out now, all these 40 billion that they have got, they have shared among them, and then their picking will be running up and down the road and everything, showing us they are this and that. Hello?
Would they hear your guy, Yakub?
So you see what is happening in APC. APC government don't have anything on the table. We are suffering. People are dying every day. They are only know about their pocket and everything. That's another one. So what we are advising the president, and let him listen to people. It's not the doing it as if he's controlling the whole Nigeria. We are the one who vote him out. So you should listen to people. It's not carry all these people. They are looking for their pocket. They are not looking for any masses at all. That's what they are there for. So what is there? Let him listen to people and do the right thing. It's not the doing it from pocket. All the way is going to appreciate them because they support them. It's not the best. It's not the best. They don't have anything. All those people that are APC, they are not another people. They are PDP people. We be accusing them, carrying them one by one to go along them. They are still PDP. Make him go to America and all the rest. All this, they are not putting him in anything. They are deceiving him.
Okay, Yakub, thank you very much for this your important contribution. From the way when we say you dey talk, no matter they pay you well, and just like every other Nigerian, you dey support the fight against corruption, but you won't make the thing dey very, very open. As Nigerians, we will continue to dey watch. They see as the thing they go. But whether you like them or not, whether this person dey under umbrella or this person dey carry broom or na National Conscience Party or na COA or whichever party, if the person dey corrupt, make the person go court, go clear him mama and papa name. Let me say we'll come and talk, say, okay, this one dey corrupt. What about that person? We'll continue to dey talk because if we get situation when it be like say, now one person that they follow, that they leave the other people, wahala dey. But if government come and talk, say corruption, when be the reason why plenty Nigerians they experience the difficulty when we experience today, they won't clean up. Make we support the government and make we ensure say we give them 100% support. We don't carry all the action to when we carry come from weekend, come drop now. We appreciate those when we say we not calling to contribute. Those when try call when it no connect based on say our number na hot cake, make una no vex. When we come again tomorrow with another action to the way they come on smoke, we sure say una go contribute for inside that particular arrangement. Like we start the show, we talk say happy new month. We dey wish everybody happy new month, and we dey talk say this month go bring better things for us as Nigerians and as people who live inside Obodo, Nigeria. Nkubi.
Yes, from me, we be Nkubi na bye-bye.
Which one be from you when be Nkubi? Which one be from you when be Nkubi? Tomorrow. This one you greet Nigerians come and say, we go see tomorrow. Say from you when be Nkubi. You okay? So yeah, take the show now. Take the show. No, take the show. From you when be Nkubi. From you when be Nkubi. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.